Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 3rd, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar definitely very impulsive up today, especially at the news. I think it's very clear this is a 1, this is probably like a running flat wave 2, and probably a big old wave 3. We are at a daily time frame Fibonacci level, so that definitely explains the pullback. And most likely this is a wave 3, so I would expect this to make some sort of probably a 3-way pattern to the downside. I would expect probably at least a 50%, maybe even the 61.8. If you see 3 waves down and impulsive up, I would definitely still try to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Looks like it should be a wave 4 and a wave 5, but could possibly be a subdivision of a bigger uptrend. If you're more of a scalper, you probably could find a decent sorting opportunity at the end of a wave B to trade the wave C down. But I still think that the better money is going to be made waiting for a long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and all my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.